Saturday and 5-6 mile on Sunday. Now I have the Beagle, and it's 1/3 mile on Saturday, and it's 1/2 mile on Sunday. The question reads, how much further did the Poodle walk last weekend than the Beagle? The Poodle walked blank miles more than the Beagle. Okay. Order of operation. I mean, not order of operation, but my operation, I'm going to be using what? So I need to do addition, and then I'll probably have to do subtraction. So let's see if we're on the right track there. All right, let me grab some water real quick. My mouth is getting a little parched. Okay, so now let's work it out. I'm going to move my work over here. Flip this over. So I'm going to work on the Poodle first. Poodle. All right, so that little Poodle walked 2/3 mile plus 5/6 mile on Sunday. Need to find a common denominator. So I'm going to make my little box. Draw my half columns. 1, 2, 3. Circle my denominators. Put my 3 and my 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Immediately I found my least common multiple, so it's my lowest common denominator. So my LCM equals 6. I don't know why I want to put 16. It's just 6. Which means that my lowest common denominator is 6. Okay? So I'm not going to do anything to this one. This is fine, but I need to change my 2/3. I need to change that denominator to a 6. So I multiplied 3 times 2 equals 6, which also means I have to do 2 times 2, which equals 4. So now I have 4/6 plus 5/6 equals 9/6. Okay, so that's for the Poodle. So I'm going to box that out. Now let's see how much we have for the Beagle. All right, so the Beagle had 1/3 on Saturday and 1/2 on Sunday. Need to find a common denominator. So again, just make my rectangle, draw my, split it in half, make my columns 1, 2, 3, 4. So here I have a 3 and a 2. 3 and 2, that's 6. I'm going to stop there. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. So I just found my... Why did I do that? Okay, I must be just getting super, super tired. It's like I should have been there. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, sorry about that, guys. All right, we're back with the program here. So 6 is my least common multiple. And my lowest common denominator is 6. So now I need to change both of these denominators to 6. So here I have 1/3. Extend my fraction bar equals, and I need to have a 6. I get from 3 to 6 by multiplying it by 2. I do the same thing to the top. So now it's 2/6. Here I have the 1/2. I need it to extend my fraction bar equals 2 times 3 is going to get me 6. I do the same thing to the top. Okay. And so now I have I'm sorry about that. So now I have 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. So this is for the beagle, and this is for the poodle. So now I want to take the difference, 9/6 minus 5/6 equals, so this is where I got my 4/6. This is the poodle. This is my beagle. Okay? So now I'm going to take the difference because I need to see which one, how much further he went. So that was 4/6. He went 4/6 miles further. Well, we also said that we can, if they're even numbers, I can take half. So half of 4 is 2. Half of 6 is 3. So our poodle went 2/3 miles more than the beagle. So we went 2/3 miles more. The answer is C. All right, there you go. If you have any questions, I'll see you in the morning. Have a great night, and I hope that you followed all of the strategies that we used today. If you continue using those strategies, it's not going to fail you. If you choose not to use it, then you fail yourself. So don't do it to yourself. You're worth it, and you owe it to yourself to get the answers correct. And the process, you owe it to your brain to know the process of how to solve these problems. All right, have a great night. See you tomorrow. Bye.